Magandang tanghali, Happy Easter para dun sa mga nagka-celebrate ng Easter sa Filipino, ligayang Pasko ng bagong buhay or pagkabuhay. For those na hindi Kristiyano, Happy Ostara. Today, I really didn't have any topic kasi ang daming nagtatanong, kaya lang samot-sari yung tanong. So, I'll give you an opportunity to ask here. In the meantime, so far, last check dun sa sa how the campaign is going, as we have seen, medyo tumiwalag na si Mar Rojas sa 8, so wala na talagang 8 diretso. At dumidistansya na po siya. Nakikita natin na sunod-sunod na unang-unang ngayong ginawa ay magsabi na willing naman siya mag-work with Duterte. At ngayon, hindi lang siya dumidistansya, sinasabi niya na ang style o yung strategiya na ginagawa ng kanyang sariling partido o yung natira dun sa 8, yung 7 o 6 na natitira, ay mali. Halimbawa, pinopoint out niya na masyadong belligerent yung kabila, masyadong palaaway, masyadong kinikriticize si Pangulo, samantalang alam naman nila ng karamihan ng mga tao ay suportado ang ating Pangulo. So, as a campaign strategy, medyo weird. So, tama si Mar Rojas in the sense na dumidistansya siya. Ang problema lang nga ni Mar Rojas, hindi naman tayo nakakakalimot dun sa kanyang non-achievements nung siya ay nasa poder as BILG Secretary, DOTR, etc. At isa sa napakamalapit sa dating Pangulo na si Noynoy Aquino. So, just ask me any other questions. May na bukas ha, may karambola na po kami bukas. Kaya today, it's really just a laid back Sunday. Gusto ko lang sana talagang bumati sa inyong lahat. At from all of us here dito sa Luminous. Aloha from Honolulu, sabi ni John Sebastian. Joselito Gano says, good morning from New York. Sabi ni Anesito Dumat, go for Siete de Leche. Okay, ang mga dumadating po na exit poll results mula sa ating mga OFWs ay doing well naman po so far. Si Attorney Glenn Chong, Attorney Gadon, Amy Marcos, General Bato, and Dr. Willie Ong. So, yung ating, kung sakali, yung mga nag-limit ng mga boto nila para dun sa ilan sa atin na nag-worry kina Glenn, umuubra yung ating strategiya. Happy Easter, sabi ni Nanette Bakita from Kuwait. And sabi ni YDT Manalo, Happy Easter din daw. So, kumusta naman po lahat ng other voting? Since nung suspended yung voting for the Holy Week during the holidays dahil nga po walang pasok ang ating mga tanggapan ng DFA, then this week mag-umpisa na naman po. May nagtatanong kung suspended yung account ni Mark Lopez. Opo, suspended yung account niya. But he will be posting dito sa Luminous para hindi naman po siya masyadong maantala. Sabi ni Genevieve Francisco, please note, I cast my vote yesterday in Riyadh, the Philippine Embassy, and everything went well and didn't take even 5 minutes to vote. Yeah, that's very good. Sabi ni Nelia Daguro, may tanong lang siya, yung friend niya sa Italy, manual ang voting. Oo, sinabi ko na po din sa last live natin, this is allowed by the rules. Kung wala pong counting machine, then allowed po yung ganong klaseng voting. Valid po yun. You just need to check that the ballot you're holding is an official ballot. So yes, meron po talagang nag-fill up ng ballots. Sabi ni Edwin Arellano, Happy Easter from Ireland. Sabi ni Aris Amada, kakaboto lang niya sa Dubai. Lahat po nang nabanggit niyo na iboto ko na. Ay, maraming salamat. Sabi ni JC Tan, huwag kalimutan Manong Rojas, paano nila ninakaw ang pera ng Yolanda. Sabi ni Nenita, sa Kuwait, okay naman daw ang botohan. Sabi ni Wesley Green, may mga nakasampa na bang kaso kay Pinoy at Mar regarding Mama Sapano? Meron po. Kaya lang, hindi kasama si Mar, si Noynoy lang po. At ang kinaso po sa kanya ay usurpation of authority. Yun po ay kinasuhan or nag-file po ng certiorari sa Korte Suprema si Attorney Ferdy Topacio, representing the victims ng Mama Sapano. para ma-upgrade po yung charge against Noynoy Aquino. Tsaka kasi parang non-existent yung charge na usurpation of authority when it's being done by the president, from whom all authority supposedly emanates. Sabi ni Anisito Dumat, maayos ang election process sa Australia, dana daw siya sa pagboto. Tinatanong kung bakit kailangan may pirmang magpadala ng balota papuntang embassy. Magpadala. So I'm assuming no signatures are required on the ballot. Bawal po yun. Pero dun po sa envelope, if I'm not mistaken, nagpapapirma sila so that makikita nila na hindi dumodoble yung bumoto. Kasi wala silang way to verify that there's more than one vote that has been cast by a particular voter. So, tignan pa natin yung iba. Makita yung iba eh. Bilis. Sabi ni Cesar Cardona, do you believe that Mar did not know about Mama Sapano operations? Kung papaniwalaan natin yung account ni Bobby Tiglao, he knew by 7:30 in the morning. The operation began ng 4 o'clock. By 7:30 in the morning kung ano po nangyayari. Mayroon ibang mga reports na nanonood daw ng live ng zone si President Noynoy, hindi po maliwanag kung at the time nandun si Mar Rojas. What I believe is this. Well, by the time he was in Zamboanga, he had already been appraised na may operation. Kasi ang sinasabi nila is that Mar didn't know about the entire operation, which is not true. He did not know it at the time, possibly that it was being planned. Possibly, we're not sure. Kasi ang inalalaman lang natin kasi yung operation na dinistansya na siya eh. So, ang tingin ko dito is that if he did not know beforehand, he certainly knew by the time nagkakagulo na, and he could have overridden or advised the president to rescue the SAF 44. Hindi nila ginawa. Nag-intay sila ng wala doon. Ang hindi rin pa kasi malinaw is bakit yung pati yung AFP hindi alam. Sabi ni Lane to J. Du, I'm going to send my ballot tomorrow. Yay! Sabi ni YDT Manalo, babalik po ba ang account ni Reyna Elena? Anong status sa complaint ni SAS sa FB? I don't know about SAS' complaint in FB kasi she's filing it abroad. Yung kay Reyna Elena, unpublished po yung page niya. So I think he's going to try to put up another one. As long as hindi siya i-report uli ng mga ilang hindi interesado na makatuloy siya. Sabi ni Bernarda Bilae, mabilis daw ang voting dun sa Qatar. Sabi ni Mia Yoshida, hindi pa ako nakakaboto, hindi pa pinadala yung balota dito ako sa Fukuoka, Japan. Pwede nyo pong i-contact yung embassy ninyo. Sabi ni Jennifer Condo, yung sa Singapore daw, feeding ballots pero nakasara yung door, di pinapapasok yung mga watchers. Ano yun, kailangan i-notify yung COMELEC tungkol dyan at saka ipa-enter ng mga nandun sa loob into the log. Sabi ni Ronald Bravo, di ba may pakyawan sa pag-shade ng ballot ng 25% shading lang? I don't get it. Sabi ni Zenaida Walton, maligayang Pasko ng pagkabuhay, watching from England. Sabi ni Damo CG, I find it funny that the President's Lenten message is a lot more religious than Cardinal Tagle. I agree. Sabi ni Benji Daisy Contreras, good evening, nasa Auckland sila. Ask lang, wala pa na bang plano ang gobyerno na mapabalik si Andres Bautista para papanagutin sa corruption, illegal wealth, pandaraya noong 2016? Ganito po yan. Yung kaso po, nasa NBI pa, hindi pa po nila fina-file sa hukuman or dun sa prosecutor's office. And until such a time, wala pong reason para i-cancel yung passport niya. So, ang tanong is, bakit nagtatagal ang NBI? Yun. Sabi ni Benedict Aborita, dapat po kapag may dayan na nakita agad sa eleksyon, dapat stop agad. Kasi po kapag nakalusot, pandaraya nila at na-declare na sila panalo ay isang terminang protesta niyan. Unfortunately, that's not how the COMELEC works. It will depend. If it is a pre-proclamation controversy, then matitigil. If it isn't, then patay. Hintay ka talaga. Sabi ni Helen Rodriguez, I know people are questioning the government's actions towards petrol in El Nido, Palawan. Tag 100 pesos daw po per liter at sinisisi po nila yung gobyerno. Bakit po isisisi ang gobyerno? Privatize naman ang petroleum industry. Sabi ni Anthony Coloma, kaya ba nila nilakihan ang isi-shade na oval ay para ma-accommodate ang 25% shading? It's really hard to speculate on that. Sabi ni Lane J. Du, nasend na daw lahat ng 23,000 ballots sa Japan, so just wait lang, darating din yan. Sabi ni Rosemary Fernandez, is it true na pinagtanggol ni Sir Darin Cañete si Mar from Mamasapano incident? That's, well, hindi po ganun yan, ha? Hindi niya pinagtanggol as in court. What he was saying is that he read the Mamasapano report of General Magalong and wala naman daw si Mar doon. Ang ang opinion ni Prosecutor Cañete is that wala talagang kinalaman or alam si Mar of the Mamasapano operations. Ang sinasabi naman ni ang sinasabi ni Mark is that it's possible na gamitin yung opinion ni Prosecutor Cañete to favor Mar. Samantalang, ang sinasabi naman ni Sir Bobby Tiglao dun sa column niya is that Mar Rojas knew at least by 7:30 ng umaga, at yun din yung sinasabi ng ating Pangulo, magkakasama na sila sa Zamboanga early in the morning of the day of the operations. So, if the operation began the night before or 4 in the morning, then by that time, nandun sila sa Zamboanga, alam na ni Mar Rojas. It's possible he may not have known beforehand, but he certainly knew it by the time it was still in full swing, nung nagre-retreat na ang SAF 44. Sabi ni Vince Kapati, after midterm elections, we have the numbers, both lower and upper house, so it be possible now to impeach the fake VP. Yeah. Sabi ni Mark Anthony, don't forget Galvez sa Mamasapano issue. Sinong Galvez? Si CS. O nga na. Sabi ni Anthony Coloma, kaya ba nila well, we can't speculate nga. Sabi ni Jane Maria Torres, can we talk about the news that 9 politicians have been paying communist groups for endorsements? If ever that's not true, these politicians can file libel, right? I'll be waiting for that. Yes. Wait, but first we have to remember, communist groups is a difficult tag kasi communism is not a crime. If they were paying to the NPA, then you could say we could even charge them with conspiracy dun sa terrorism. So you have to be very, very careful about the tags. Ulitin ko po, communism is not a crime. Even if you may not like the ideology ng communism, and a person can say, I'm a communist, and he will not be committing a crime. Ang NPA po is a terrorist organization because not only do they raise arms against the duly constituted authority, which makes them in the act of rebellion, but the means that they use is to create widespread terror among the population and, instability, etc. So, yung purpose po is what defines a terrorist organization. Ang pagbibigay po dun sa terrorist organization, in particular the NPA, yun po ang krimen. Sabi ni Ronald Bravo, nagbabakbakan na doon sa Mamasapano at Marin Panot when monitoring the situation. Where is the evidence for that? Para sa akin, the mere fact that he was in Zamboanga by 7:30 in the morning, he knew. I don't know about the nagbabakbakan or they were monitoring by drone. But definitely the mere fact that they were there and there was some kind of briefing from the President that President Duterte has been attesting to, yun yung ebidensya. Sabi ni Andy Tejones, bakit number 1 si Trapo sa lahat ng survey? Di kaya kasi hawak ni po ng mga Aquino, Ayala Lopez, MVP Cojuangco, mga oligarch na nagmamanipulahalos ng ekonomiya ng bansa. I think Grace po is for Grace po. I don't think she's for anybody. So, that she will take every opportunity to push her own agenda forward. And if her agenda is to be able to run for president, then that's her. I have not seen any indication. Kasi kung pro-Aquino siya, she would have stepped aside for Mar Rojas noon. Sabi ni Chris Mar, Labrador. Wish ko lang yung traffic sa Manila is maging as easy as sa tulad ng holiday sa pagbalik ng mga bakasyonista. Sana may matutunan ng mga mambabatas para sa decongestion. Hoy Grace po, pay attention. Alam nyo, part of the solution, or the main solution really to the traffic situation sa Metro Manila is to decongest. And how do you do that? You get people to transfer back to the provinces or not to seek their jobs here. Kasi, let's face it, halos konti lang naman talaga kami ang residente ng Metro Manila. Tingnan nyo, pagka holidays, halos walang tao dito. Pagka undas, pagka Pasko, halos walang tao dito. Bakit? The way they consider their residences in the provinces. Tingnan nyo, pagka eleksyon, muuwi yung iba sa probinsya para bumoto. Kasi animus revertendi, meaning ang kinoconsider nilang residence talaga ay probinsya because they have an intention to return there at nagtatrabaho lang po ang karamihan dito. So, ibig sabihin, if we can make more opportunities doon sa probinsya or allow people to live in the provinces and then probably just commute to work using public transportation and not private cars, then we may have a shot at easing the traffic situation in Metro Manila. Pero para sa akin, simptomas yung traffic eh. Simptomas yan kasi ang mga opportunities na concentrate dito sa Metro Manila. Eh kung ilipat natin yung opportunities sa iba, di ba, everybody happy. You bring development to the countryside, you decongest Metro Manila, and then, I can go back to having a nice neighborhood. Sabi ni Lloyd Laksa, volunteer daw siya kay Attorney Chong at kay Attorney Gadon dun sa Olongapo. Yes. Sabi ni Chucky Yamagisi, bakit pakialam si Tatay Digong sa COMELEC? Dapat palitan niya si Jimenez, may power naman siya na alisin. Hindi po, wala po siyang power to do that. The Commission on Elections is actually an independent commission. It's created by the Constitution, and the only power the President has over them is, kumbaga, mere supervision as the head of the civil service, pero hindi niya pwedeng i-replace yung mga decisions ng COMELEC with his own decisions. So, hindi po ganun yun. And so, you can't blame the President kung ni-renew ng COMELEC yung Smartmatic. In order to be able to review that decision, then dapat finailan. Now, here's the thing. Dapat kasali yung Smartmatic contract dun sa mga nire-review na decisions na sinasabi ng Pangulo. If there are onerous or against the interests of the state, then maaaring ipa-void yan. Sabi ni Dang Tumong, pwede po ba malaman kung sino mga bet nyo sa mga senatorial candidates? Na post ko na po. Pero hindi ako gumawa ng single na listahan. Ang nilagay ko lang po are people I'm considering. Sabi ni Gilbert Mori, nakaboto na siya from Fukushima, Japan. Ipapadala na lang sa Philippine Embassy tomorrow. Sabi ni Anisito Dumat, okay lang po ba mamigay ng kahit anong mga tumatakbong politiko na namimigay ng mga bigas at ng pera during the rally? Ganito po yun, no? Bawal talaga mamigay. Pero ang paghuhuli talaga dyan, kung kunwari, hindi nyo ni-report, hindi sila nahuli in the act, is dun isasose nila sa statement of campaign expenses. Makikita, how much did they spend? Sabi ni Ronnie Lacupa, can you comment on Regine Velasquez's comment on South China Sea conflict? I'm sure everybody has already commented on it. And I don't comment on personalities, I comment on issues. Except kung politiko ka. And Regine isn't a politician. So, she's entitled to her own opinion. I disagree with it. And that's it. Sabi ni Jose Lauro Malonzo, sa Buanga Siege, naroon na sila ni Marimar at Pinoy. Halos malapit na sila sa Mamasapano. Pero wala pa rin binigay na instruction si Pinoy at Marimar na takot umuwi agad. Yun. Sabi ni Baby Alcala, di ba siya pwedeng kasuhan ng PNP kasi malinaw naman na incompetent na commander-in-chief siya. Lahat ng major operations, di pwedeng hindi niya alam. Not like our president today, pinondohan yung ISIS sa Marawi, giniling sila ng pinong-pino ang ISIS. Kakasuhan siya. Well, may kaso na nga po. Ang problema, ang kinaso ni Ombudsman is usurpation of authority. So, let's see kung ano yung magiging outcome dun sa Korte Suprema, dun sa, sa certiorari na final ni na Attorney Topacio. Sabi ni Arturo Layug, why the COMELEC has no comments regarding the 9 incumbent senators? or admitted by a former NDF negotiator that the senators pay 10 million to 20 million to support their candidacy. So, ulitin ko po, assuming na mapapatunayan natin na nagbigay sila ng pera because a mere say-so is not enough. One, it might be hearsay. And two, even if they testify that they have seen it, to overturn the presumption of innocence, mahirapan tayo. But, also, hindi po kasi illegal ang Communist Party Hindi po illegal ang NDF. And kasi ang problema is in your mind, tinatahi ninyo na NPA, CPP, NDF ay iisa lang. But in order for us to prove that they are all terrorists, you have to link them up directly with the NPA in the sense that they're giving aid and comfort or sila po yung nagpopondo ng mga terrorist activities ng NPA. Sabi ni Margarita Gonzalez, finally tomorrow, Monday, matatarawan na naman ako sa mga comment, pero syempre marami ako natututunan. Kasi may karambola na bukas. Sabi ni John Sebastian, if pro-DDS senator candidates may win this May, the newly elected senators will ask for recount for BBM case. We can see a faster outcome. No po, that doesn't work that way. The case is already with the Supreme Court. So, and those are separate branches. The Senate has no say in the case with the Supreme Court. Sabi ni Josephine Velasco, Happy Resurrection Day. Ask na lang if you have a say on this. I tweeted Comelec spokes last 2016 regarding inmates and detainees on whether they will be allowed to vote. He tweeted back, yes, but didn't reply with my follow-up question how they will go about it, whether VCMs will be provided per jail, and how they will check on their biometrics. There are 42,000 inmates in 2016. Ang alam ko, they did allow, pero parang absentee voting. So they were allowed to vote dun sa presinto. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was a manual count. Sabi ni Gilbert po nga na after midterm elections, hot topic na pa rin po ba ang WS and Chinese invasion na ginagamit na agenda ng opposition? Well, I suppose they'll always use it against the president one way or another. Sabi ni Arlene Quijano, tanong lang, nag-watcher po ako now dito sa Hong Kong, nag-standby po ang machine at botohan kasi puno na daw ang SD card. 1,000 lang daw kada ng SD card. So, papalitan ng SD card at Visa. Ganun po ba talaga yun? Actually, I didn't see that in the rules. I have to check on that. Pero did they log it in? Did they log in what happened there? Kasi, remember why BBM's protest was able to move forward on the merits? Normally, kasi it's very hard to file a case for the Supreme Court. Kailangan the Supreme Court has to give it what we call due course. Yung due course na yun, it means na, based on an evaluation, you do have a case, a serious case. But na si BBM had a serious case for his recount because he was able to produce witnesses and evidence of the anomalies in the counting. That's the kind of burden we will be having when we question the election results because ang dami-daming ganitong little issues. Now, the COMELEC will take cognizance of the issue only if the occurrences, the events, would have caused widespread disenfranchisement. Pero pagka isolated incidents, then they will consider it still a successful operation in the sense that uneventful pa rin ang ika-characterize nila for that day. Sabi ni Jordan, Emma, that's PRRD's point kaya federal government na, di kasi pinapaliwanag ang federalismo sa laro utak ng Pilipino. Hindi po rin ganun yan The logistics of federalism are huge. So even those of us who are convinced about the merits of federalism understand that it's not going to be that easy. Kasi alam nyo, kaya naman look, yung build is a trillion peso undertaking and the president was able to pull that off. No other president has done this kind of building on such a massive scale in such a short time. Okay, to catch up with our infrastructure projects. So nagawa niya, he was able to push the resources and the people to do it even if along the way pinahihirapan siya. That kaya ng presidente, and if he really put his mind to it, then federalism would have at least gotten a foothold. Hindi nangyari. Bakit? Because the President believes that there's some things that have to be done first before federalism continues. I think ako dito, I will take a cue from my President. If the President says, malabo na magka-federalismo na muna ngayon, then I will take it to mean that he has said that he's not going to push for it as strongly as he originally had. In which case, I am willing to wait. There are other things that he wants to prioritize. Sabi ni Andy Tejones, naniniwala ka bang walang mananalo ni isa sa 8 at panagutin ang PCOS machine manipulation na naman kung sakali? Alam mo, I have no evidence to think of any outcome right now. So for me, 1, it's useless to speculate. 2, it's useless to talk about things that may happen but we have no evidence of it happening yet. 3, the problems that are occurring right now at the overseas absentee voting aren't enough to cause a widespread disenfranchisement. So, para sa akin, okay pa ngayon, and there's no reason for me to get angry or worried or suspicious. And also because we have to be very careful that we might be leading people to believe that they should not have no faith or should lose their faith in the electoral process, because that, sir, is illegal. Sabi ni Perfecto Real, do you think the President is sincere sa sinabi niya about vote buying? Halimbawa, we report monies delivered to us at home by candidates, representatives, and we take pictures of the money, not the courier. Of course, the money will have the candidate's name. Tanggapin kaya yun as evidence by the President? That's not enough for me. You have to have an accused, you have to have what we call a chain of evidence, and you have to link that money without just his name, no? Link that money to the person who gave it. So, is it enough to conduct an investigation? Yes, of course, it's enough. Pero to convict or to move the President to this or that, we can't say. That would be speculation. Sabi ni Emelita Fuji, ay, nawala. Sabi ni, yan, malapit nyo na matanggap yung chocolate. Ma'am, thank you po. Tinatanong ni Andy Tejones na demanda na po ba si General Carranza sa kaso nila sa murder ni Attorney Chong? Hindi pa po. Murder, hindi pa po. Sabi ni Annalyn Fababi, na-receive na po ng husband ko yung ballot paper niya dito sa Calgary and send na lang sa Philippine Consulate sa Tuesday. Yun. Sabi ni Paul Marie, how about yun sa Baguio, Good Shepherd, di ba campaigning din yun? Hindi ko po alam kung ano meron doon. Sabi ni Grace Anderson, thank you for giving the time to the public to give us an idea of what's going on. You're welcome. Sabi ni Relda Martin, walang maliwanag na sagot sa embassy about yung balota dahil trabaho daw yon ng COMELEC, but they don't have a phone number. Kukunin lang nila yung contact number ko, but asawa ng Diyos, nothing happened, no call back. Very frustrating. I don't know what your facts are. Pero you're not alone. Marami talagang, malaki talagang problema with COMELEC in terms of answering issues, at saka answering questions, at saka yung pagsasagot nila, pananagot nila dun sa mga incidents na nire-report. So, yeah, we really have to hold the COMELEC accountable for their failure to properly inform, the lack of responsiveness to questions. At saka, wala tayong, hindi natin nakikita, itong problema ng COMELEC wala tayong nakikitang sumasagot sa kanila. Spokes nga si Jimenez, but he seems to be too busy to attend to these questions. Sabi ni Juanita, ako ba anong balita na i-renew ang contract? I think you're talking about the franchise, what will happen to the giant company. We don't know yet because hindi pa naman up for renewal. I think it's still in 2 years. Sabi ni Bahar Angela, sorry been late on your live vid, came home from the night shift. Looking forward to Karambola again. Sabi ni Royce sa Badukya, kahit anong mangyari, we should go out and vote. Practice our political power, especially pag meron tayong pinaglalaban. Sabi ni Nbox Honda, kailan po ba matatapos yung kay Bongbong at mapalitan na? Well, we don't really know. Mabagal talaga. In fact, recently, from what I understand, si Senator Bongbong in an interview said na pasensya na muna because kaya hindi siya sumasagot is because 1, well, of course, may gag order, and 2, it really takes some time. So, Tinatanong ni Zenaida Walton, ano yung favorite chocolate ko? Right now, strawberry Kit Kats. O kaya yung puti na Toblerone, which isn't really, neither one of them I think are strictly speaking chocolate. Sabi ni Marilu Lalemont, sana ma-meet kita when we go home. We can go to the station po. Sabi ni Raymond De Feo, totoo ba balita ng dilawan na sa Hong Kong sa Saudi nung unang dilawang 8? Please don't believe any of that. Makakapaniwala pa tayo dun sa mga exit polls, pero those yung mga statements na nagsasabing leading ang 8, pero wala silang pinoprovide na reason kung bakit nila pinaniniwalaan yon. Huwag kayo maniniwala doon. One, nang-aasar yun, or two, they're trying to discourage us. Tinatanong ni Tony Rose, do you believe the President will ask the COMELEC to deputize him so he can honor his commitment for clean election and votes will be counted correctly? I don't even know if there's a process for that. Sabi ni Johnny PB, hello, bawal po ba ang mag-send through video ng initial result ng botohan sa isang precinct from Hong Kong? Meron kasi kaninang umaga, pero bakit para na kasing nabura na di ko makita uli? Well, bawal talaga ang results, but you can post results of exit polls. Sabi ni Margarito Bueno, meron po akong pasalubong sa inyo ng coffee and chocolate. Pupunta sana ako this week sa Carambola. Punta lang po kayo, pero during the time na nasa booth kami, hindi kami masyado makakalabas. Ha? Sabi ni Marilu, I keep on typing hanggat mapansin nyo. Sana ma-meet kita pag uwi namin. Ma'am, twice ko na kayo pinansin. Sabi ni Miss Gako, Charmaine Gako, bakit ang pinangangalandakan sa balita about sa WPS, territory daw ng Pilipinas yun, di ba international waters yun? Hindi po. Depends on which part. The Scarborough is, Pag-asa is, yun dun sa Kalayaan, Pag-asa is Philippine territory, but it doesn't does it generate, Scarborough is ours, but it doesn't generate an exclusive economic zone. Ngayon, meron tayong exclusive economic zone that extends about 200 kilometers after our shores, no? So, 200 kilometers into the seas. So, an exclusive economic zone doesn't mean, isn't territory. It means you have the sole right to exploit. Exploiting means fishing, what do you call this? Yung testing the waters, not testing, exploring in the waters, exploration, etc. Yun yung rights in an exclusive economic zone. Ngayon, kapag may issue about military incursions into an exclusive economic zone, ang sinasabi po is hindi po ito covered ng United Nations Convention on the Law of the Seas. So, there's that. That's why it's a complicated issue. Sabi ni Joseph Solitario, malaki ang problema sa COMELEC kasi masyadong malalim na ang corruption. Yun kasi ang daan ng mga politikong ganid para magkaroon ng kapangyarihan at makapwesto. So tuloy ang piyesta nila sa pangungurap. Dapat ang unang linisin ang COMELEC. Yes, I agree, but like I said, even if this is our impression, we have to do something about it. Impressions don't count. They cannot file cases based on impressions. Sabi ni Junaida Sumalinog na late ako. Okay naman ang vote dito sa Singapore. Allow pa nga ako. Nagdikta sa katabi ko dahil di daw niya kilala mga senador. Kaya ako na nag-shade sa balota niya. Ma'am, I don't think you really should be saying that. Although I'm glad that they allowed you. It might be because if illiterate yung katabi nyo, she will be allowed assistance. Sabi ni Jordan, Emma, election na nga lang ang trabaho ng mga taga-COMELEC, di pa maayos, sayang pa sweldo sa kanila. You know what, I feel you. Sabi ni Chingdi Digamon, hello, she's watching from London. Happy Easter. Pag magpadala sa Carambola, if care of sa inyo po, okay na ba yun? Matatanggap niyo po ba yun? Where can I find the address? Wow, I know you like Kit Kat, but Cadbury's in England are one of the best. Oh, I didn't say I didn't like Cadbury. I love Cadbury. Fruit and nut. Okay. Hindi. Kung magpapadala sa Carambola, okay, everybody listen up. Na mag-google naman yung address namin, but in case you would like to hear it here, It's, holy cow, nakalimutan ko yung number. Sandali. We're on Shaw Boulevard. Pero kasi, if you're sending it, it's better to send to Regine Pagulayan. Yun po yung aming office assistant. Kasi, kung sa akin yung padadala, to Trixie Cruz Angeles, that's not my full name. So, kunwari, katulad nung sa EMS dati, gusto nila pipick upin ko, pero it's addressed in my name, then I have to explain pa kung bakit yung full name ko, Rose Beatrix Cruz Angeles, and Trixie Cruz Angeles are the same person. So, care of Regine Pagulayan, 709 Shaw Boulevard. Carambola is in City State Center, okay, DWIZ. So, Regine Pagulayan, care of, DWIZ, Carambola. 5th floor, City State Center, 709 Shaw Boulevard, Barangay Oranbo, Pasig City. Tinatanong ni Fred Fama, kasama ba si Atty. Nick Nangit sa Carambola? Hindi po, pero kasama siya sa tambayan. Tinatanong ni Miss Jeremy Huber, how excited are you about the upcoming debate between Darian and Sass? Well, it's not exactly a debate. It's more like a dialogue. I'm more excited about seeing Sass again. So, si Ate Flor is watching. Sabi ni Mark Anthony, anong favorite books mo na pwedeng basahin regarding our culture? Well, anything that was written by Scotty. Okay, shoot. Well, my favorite is, naku, yan dami. Maglista na lang ako on the wall. Mahirapan tayo dito. Maayos naman daw, sabi ni Lazy Troy, ang botohan dito sa MEC o sa Taipei, 6 lang binoto niya, 6 lang din ang lumabas sa PCOS machine. And yung fisherman, inasikaso naman po nila, pwede sila bumoto sa Taipei o sa Taichung, ayun, ina-assist naman po nila. Kaya lang, karton lang yung lagayan nila ng mga resibo. But overall, maayos naman po kung ano yung binoto ko, yun yung lumabas. Yun. Sabi ni Jess Saniel, Milka Strawberry Chocolate po masarap. I should try that. Sinabi ni Nbox Honda, saan po pwedeng bigyan gawa ng media canvas like nakita ko kanina through AMS Parcel Japan po kami dito. What do you mean? Bibigyan mo ako ng media canvas. Okay, dun pa rin, same, sa Carambola po, but send it through Regine Pagulayan, tapos sa loob nyo pa ilalagay kung para kanino sa amin yon, kasi maraming nagpapadala din kay TP, kay Boss Conrad, sa other mga hosts. So, outside, you can put in Regine Pagulayan, pero inside, sabihin nyo kung para kanino po yan. Sabi ni Mari Oishi, ma'am, hanggang ngayon wala pa akong kakilalang nakatanggap ng balota sa Japan. Sabi po doon sa, just please check po doon sa website ng Philippine Embassy sa Tokyo because napadala na daw po lahat ng balota. Sabi ni Amelita Fuji, Happy Easter, thanks sa mga live mo, kahit 1 week walang karambola. Nahiya ako sa inyo eh. Sabi ni Nia Turner, Scarborough Shoal issue, ask lang, may ano ba talaga ang naging kasunduan ng Aquino administration at ni Trillanes? Hindi nga nila sinasabi, di ba? Sabi ni Grace Anderson, very impressed with your answers. I wish I could watch longer, but I have to go to church. Keep up the public service. Your source of information not found in Google. Well, you can also watch this again dito sa Luminous. Just click on the video. Sabi ni Ronald Bravo, para tahimik ang mga dilawan ng the Saba issue. Diba? Diba? Sabi ni Perfecto Real, may resibo palang di mo maiuwi. Yung resibo ng Smartmatic lang. Is it fair to us? Hindi naman kasi resibo natin yun eh. Resibo yun so that there is a separate evidence of what the VCM counted. It's not for us, it's for the recount. Sabi ni Erlinda Areola, Happy Easter, tanong lang po, ba't ang tagal mag-release ang BIR ng IRR ng Estate Tax Amnesty? Yung iba, batas na kasabay na pinirmahan ay ini-implement na ngayon. Parang ang tagal naman po. They have only 6 months to do it. So, pag lumampas, you can actually sue them. Sabi ni Tina Almada, do you think Glenn Chong has a chance to win? I think so. Sabi ni Art Vasquez, Correct. Saka bakit po kaya sa dami ng kurakot ng nakaraang administrasyon amounting to trillions of pesos parang hanggang publicity lang ba? Wala po bang nakakasuhan ng plunder kung pagbabago ang gusto natin, bakit po hinahayaan natin makatakas sa mga kawatang ito? Well, I think they should be investigated first. Pero ganito kasi yun eh. At the start of his presidency, si Pangulo said he doesn't really like the idea of suing a past president. Parang for him kasi, mahihirapan magtrabaho ang presidente kung sa tingin niya, nanganganib siya parate. In other words, hindi siya gagawa ng mga decisions. Gusto ng presidente, malakas ang loob. So, it's not ideal to keep holding our presidents accountable for decisions that they have to make, for really tough decisions. But we can hold them accountable for crimes, such as, of course, graft and all of that. So, yun po yun. Initially, hindi po kasi siya sold on the idea. And now that he is, well, ngayon pa lang siguro mag-uumpisa yung mga investigasyon. Sabi ni Jericho Junio, if COMELEC was created by the Constitution, the President cannot even take his hands on the meaning COMELEC people are untouchable. No, I didn't say that. But what I said is the President cannot substitute his discretion for theirs. In other words, he cannot reverse their decisions. I didn't say that they're untouchable. You can sue them for plunder. They can be held accountable for plunder or for graft. But not for decisions like this. Because right now, there's no, without any proof that choosing Smartmatic again for these elections is a crime, then you have to go through the investigative process and produce your evidence. Junatas Jong says, is there a possibility that PRRD will declare revolution if ever there is a failed election? I don't know. I can't read his mind. I don't think so. I think that if ever he declares a revolution, it will only be because everything is closed off to him, that there's no way that he can bring this country forward without it. So he's not going to do it lightly. Sabi ni J. Dual Blade, may nakita kong poster ng Magdalo pero yung picture si Trillanes. Official na po ba na siyang representative ng Magdalo? Those are the reports that I'm seeing. But I have to double check with the COMELEC website. Sabi ni Charmaine Gaco, laglagan na talaga sa mga dilawan, lalo't papalapit ng eleksyon. Si Mar Rojas puspusan ang pagbuhat sa sarili niya, kaya malamang makukuha niya ang Hall of Fame Award kasi itong third time na matatalo siya. Parang ano bang tawag doon? Grand Slam! Tinatanong ni Rocky Advicula, natutulog pa ba? Ka pa ba? Opo, pero kanti lang. The older you get, the less sleep you need. Sabi ni Gracelyn Fallerina, here in London, we just handed out our ballot to the PH Embassy personnel in an easy-to-peel sealed envelope. It's annoying to see FB posts claiming a high turnout of votes from OFWs when you didn't physically see what happened to your filled-out ballots overnight, whether it's been tampered or not before feeding in the VCMs. I have no clue, but something is really fishy. Yeah. I know. I'm also concerned, but I don't also want people to not vote because they have lost faith in the system. I want to see the elections through and document all the problems so that if ever we can demand a recount, there's evidence for it. Sabi ni Cylon Aviñante, abang lang po talaga sa live niyo ni TP, watching from Bahrain, gigising na naman tomorrow ng 3 a.m. to catch Karambola. Naku, mapupuyat kayo, matulog kayo maaga. Sabi ni Jasmine Emiliano, ma'am, yung renewal sa ABS-CBN, matuloy ba yun? Kasi sabi ni Tatay Digong, wag na. We will see. Sabi ni Roy Sabadukia, sa FB po ng Philippine Embassy in Japan, may announcement, meron pa po mga hindi dumating, nakasort alphabetically. In my case, di pa daw dumating. Okay. Kaway-kaway kay June Magno, nanonood siya. Sabi ni Jordan Tongson, considering the scandal that Smartmatic has been involved in, why were they still contracted for the 2019 midterm elections? Actually, it's not exactly true. They were not contracted to handle the midterm elections. What the COMELEC did was there's a clause in the original contract that allowed them to buy the counting machines, and then they just took in Smartmatic as consultants to help manage the elections, or actually to manage the equipment. Sabi ni JV Galang, what happened to Jojo Robles? Nawala siya sa karambola. He's just busy. Sabi ni Nia Turner, wonder lang bakit sa mga politicians kapag napatunayan na corrupt, bakit hindi nabibilanggo? Samantalang magnanakaw ka ng manok, bilanggo ka. Wait, kung napatunayan na corrupt, mabibilanggo ka po talaga. But if you're talking about the Bong Revilla case, that's really a problematic one for me, ha? Because admittedly, nakatanggap siya ng pera, but what they were saying was that, baka not siya personally. It's a weird decision. But he should return the money. Really, seriously. Sabi ni Mary Joy Tolentino, may kumakalat na video na minigay ng pera at mga damit ang Magdalo. Okay, that should be documented. The person who took the video must be able to attest to the what we call the authenticity of that video. Ooh, Scandinavian chocolates. Sabi ni Sheila Soria, how about Scandinavian chocolates? What's your favorite? Hindi ko po alam. I think we're going to have to try a lot of them so that we can determine what's the favorite. Sabi ni J. Dual Blades, maraming salamat. Hoping ma-disqualify siya. Oo nga. Sabi ni Anthony Coloma, pakiremind sa mga OFWs kung ano mangyari sa boto nila in case hindi nila napansin na more than 12 names na palang na-shade nila. Yes, thank you Mr. Coloma. Okay, dun sa mga hindi pa po bumoboto, don't forget that don't vote for more than 12 senators and vote only for one party list. Okay? Ulitin ko po, huwag po boboto ng sobra, whether it is for senators or for party list, mai-invalidate po yung boto ninyo. Ulitin ko po, bilangin nyo po yung mga sinashade ninyo and be very, very careful. Better to undervote than to overvote. Sabi ni Ian Abelia, connected dun sa Magdalo comment, pwede na ba habang sitting senator biglang magiging part ng party list para sa eleksyon? Di ba may prescriptive period para makatakbo uli? O di ba dapat mag-resign muna sa current position? Hindi po. Hindi lang siya pwede tumakbo uli for senator, but he can run for another position. Sabi ni Ching B. Digamon, I've seen in YouTube one of the bloggers posted documenting Baseco update. May poster si Bam Aquino, palutang-lutang pa, tinapon ng mga tao sa basura. Uy, huwag kayong mag-pollute. Ay, huwag niyong itapon sa dagat, tapon niyo sa basura at siguraduhin niyo na mabaon na yung pangalan na yan sa limot. Sabi ni Meyer, sorry, medyo bitter yan. Sabi ni Mirna Garcia, araw-araw kita pinakikinggan sa DWIZ. God bless, ingat po lagi. Yes, ma'am. Sabi ni Imelda Jimenez, team replay siya from Holland. Yay! Natutuwa ako dun sa mga Northern European countries. Nakakatuwa kayo mag-comment. Sabi ni Jordan Thompson, why is there so much hatred from both sides in this coming election? I disagree. I don't think it's hatred. On the part of ako, personally, it's not hatred. I'm angry. I'm angry at the other side. I'm angry because this president has showed us what was possible. Pwede naman pala tayong mag-spend for infrastructure on this kind of a scale. Pwede naman pala mag-free tertiary education. Pwede naman pala natin tutukan ng healthcare. Pwede naman pala lahat. Pwede naman palang pwede naman pala na ganito katindi yung pag-care sa taong bayan. I'm angry. I'm angry because we believed them for so long. I hate the idea that they kept telling us, pasensya na kayo, ganito lang ang trend, wala tayong pera. Pasensya na kayo na ganito lang ang schools natin, wala tayong pera. Pasensya na kayo na everything is substandard kasi wala tayong pera. Pero you see politicians and you see oligarchs and they're riding really nice cars and they study abroad and they have so much money and they never have to worry about going hungry or going into debt or anything like that, and everything is so easy for them. And when we realize that these opportunities, you know what the definition of poverty is? Poverty is the dearth or the lack of opportunity. And you know what they did? They took all the opportunities for themselves. That's why I'm angry. It's not hate, it's anger. And I'm not over it. Sabi ni Jeremy Huber, the chocolates are Swiss pralines. You're making me hungry. Oh my gosh, I might end up 200 pounds. Pero sige, thank you. Sabi ni Leslie Hermosa, Happy Easter. Ready to vote tomorrow dito sa Hong Kong. Copy po sa advice ninyo. Yes, please be careful with your votes, okay? Sabi ni Omar Bacao, anong gamit ng QR code ng official ballot kung no usable naman pag ini-scan? I have no idea. Sabi ni Jok Tigas, bakit wala kumwestiyon sa kandidatura ni Coco Pimentel? Meron po. Si Attorney Ferdito pa siya nag-question. Sabi ni Katlea Winer, Happy Easter to all. Sana maging makatao lahat ng mga politicians natin. Yes, but hope is not a strategy. Sabi ni Ramel Madronal, wala bang provision sa saligang batas na yung mga may pending cases ay di pwede mag-file ng any public office by way of elections? Hindi po yon ang nakalagay. Baliktad nga sa saligang batas, di ba? No person may be deprived of life, liberty, or property, or for that matter, opportunity without due process of law. So, until you're convicted, you're still going to... Also, you can't be removed from position, and in theory, anybody can run for public office. Public office yan, election yan. You're not talking about the ordinary civil service. But I agree with you that the problem is you require so much in the ordinary civil service but so little of our elective officials. Not a good idea. Sabi ni Jovelyn Benavice, Singapore po, seal lang yung envelope. Paano naman malalaman di nila dagdagan yung binoto namin? We don't. Yun talaga yun. The COMELEC cannot prepare for every single eventuality. That's just really how it goes. Hindi po lahat ng possibilities mako-cover nila. And I think that for now, unless there is evidence that that is in fact what is happening, then we should not worry that it is going to happen. Sabi ni Mary Ann, it's almost 2 a.m. in Washington and she's still awake. Oh, I hope you don't have work tomorrow. Sabi ni Ian, dahil kay PRRD nakita ng sambayanan ng mga possibilities and opportunities na maaari natin makamit, kaya naglalabasan ng mga frustrations ng mga tao sa mga nakalipas na administrasyon. Parang ginawa tayong mangmang sa katotohanan. Sabi ni Ronald, bravo, when you visit other progressive countries, nakakalungkot sa dibdib at huling-huli tayo sa development ng ating infrastructure. Sabi ni Joyce Bungay, may mga taong galit sa presidente pero nag-enjoy sa mga pagbabago dahil sa presidente, yun ang nakakainis. So, Anisito Dumat says, ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ni Ma'am Lenny sa laylayan? Yung palagi ako naririnig sa kanya, yun ba yung eye bags niyang malaki? You're so bad. Okay. Teka, sumanan na naman ng ilaw ko. Ayusin natin. Sabi ni Jeff Ramos, tama kayo, ang tagal tayo niloloko. Sabi ni Menchi Niflet, sana maiwasan ang mga squatters magpagawa ng mga tenement houses o gaya ng Bliss na pinapagawa ng Marcos regime. Alam nyo, poverty is a perpetual problem, and I agree. Yung tenement housing kasi eyesore sila, no? Well, I agree also with that, and I agree that meron tayong social responsibility to make sure that everybody has an opportunity at getting housing that is decent. We have to catch up. That's one of the things that the president has to catch up with. Sabi ni Mari Oishi, maraming salamat sa pagiging makabayan and having the passion to spend time guiding and giving us information on national issues. Arigato. You're welcome. Sabi ni Ching Biguan Sandigamon, tama, sabi naming mag-asawa, sa daming ganap ng administrasyon, eto pwede naman pala, kaya never again. PS includes Scandinavian chocolates apart from Cadbury's. Grabe, I'm going to be 300 pounds. Thank you po. Thank you very, very, very much po. Alam niyo naman po ang mga luho ko or things like that. Ang babaw na kaligayahan ko. Sabi ni Philanthropist, I'm your long-time avid fan, learning a lot from you. You're an ideal senator. I hope during the next coming presidential elections, you'll run as senator in the ticket of our Pambato, Sara Duterte. I think I'm better off helping out right exactly where I am. Sierra Duarte is now reading Debunked by Bobby Tiglao. I suggest you guys buy one for yourselves to know what really happened in the past 30 years. Sabi ni Joel Macaraig, who was that Cory official who said we're a rich country pretending to be poor? Was that a Cory? Or a Ramos one? Ramos yun. Si Momi. Sabi ni Ana Marie Maura Estrellado, I miss Carambola. Palm Sunday naman po dito, Egypt Orthodox religion. Ay, how cool, you're in Egypt. I would love to go to Egypt. Gods. Yeah, it's like every archaeologist's, bucket list to go to Egypt. At least once. Diba? It's like the biggest successful archaeological find like ever. Sabi ni Maimona, Ranain, hindi lang po kayo ang galit. Dito sa eleksyon na ito, mapapatunayan ang dami ng galit. Pabantayan namin ang aming mga boto kahit walang tulugan. Sabi ni Roy Sequoia, kung ang ombudsman ay institution para sa mga accused government officials, anong institution naman mag-imbestiga sa religious groups? Wala po. Usually, within the institutions themselves, the Catholic Church is supposed to have its own process for checking on the abuses of their own personnel. Unfortunately, there have been really some unfortunate policies within the institution itself. Sabi ni Jock Tigas, every election ay nearborn near Araneta, Corner Ilod in Quezon City, lagi nilang may sunog. Minsan feeling mo sinasadya ng mga politiko, kawawa naman ang mahihirap na botante. Sabi ni Edward Lalubis, we're very rich in natural resources compared to Korea, but where are we now? Good question. Sabi ni Louie Adriano, mga LP mema lang sila lahat ng issue papatulan, mapansin lang sila. He's from Turkey. He's watching from Turkey. Sabi ni Adele Iserio, yung mga Katoliko, sabi mas gusto pa nilang makinig sa inyo sa Carambola kaysa magpunta sa church. Wala na magtiwala. Well, I don't think it's a religion thing. I think it's more like I'm a lapsed Catholic myself. But it isn't because I've lost any kind of faith in the divine. It's more like I don't believe that these rites or rituals make sense to me anymore. Sabi ni Mads Enoch, totoo ang kasabihang too much talk, too much mistake. Etong si VP tuwing magsasalita. I knew this was a VP comment. Lumalabas ang kanyang kabobohan like itong message niya sa Easter Sunday na babantayan ang threat sa demokrasya. She said that. So, nako. Alam niyo si VP, para siyang endorser ng headache medicine. Sakit ang ulo ko every time she talks. Sabi ni Ronald Bravo, Machu Picchu din. Because aliens are there. You know what? My professors will kill me if I actually agree with you. Anyway. So, kung wala na pong ibang mga tanong, yan, sige, tama yon. Kasi yung mga luho ko lang talaga are either strawberry Kit Kat or cheese. Cheese po. Kung ayaw nyo maging 400 pounds ako, cheese po ang ipadala nyo sa akin. That's really the luho. That's the other luho. Lalo na dun sa mga because pwede kasi siya yung pagka nag-intermittent fasting, to get off the fast, pwede cheese. Lalo na kayo yung mga nasa Northern European countries, in the Scandinavian countries, in the Nordic countries, parang awan nyo na. Ang sarap ng chocolate nyo, pero ang sarap din ng cheese niyo. Kayo din, mga taga-France. Thank you dun sa mga nagpadala. Meron kasi nagpadala sa akin ng 4 na klaseng cheese. Parang 4 na araw lang yata naubos siya. And they were sending me by the brick, ha. Maraming salamat po. Sabi ni Marlon Enriquez, paano matrace kung sino si Bicoy? I'm not sure about the technicalities, but the PNP is already doing it. My guess is they're going to trace through how it was uploaded. Nakakapagtakang nakapasa, baka yan yung sinasabi ni Trillanes, nilakad yung pagpapasa niya sa bar, sabi ni RFB Felix. Laging bagsak si Lugaw sa bar. Ay, kayo naman, kawawa naman siya. Hindi naman ganun din. Sinong sinashut up dito? Bakit may nag-shut up pa dito? Sabi ni Denny De Chavez, ano po kaya ang chance ng divorce dito sa atin? It will really depend on who we vote for. Tinatanong ni Ronald Bravo kung gusto ko yung mabahong cheese. Yap. Sabi ni Minga Sabiner, kung sa inyo po ay there's no life without coffee, sa akin naman po there's no life without Carambola at TMD. Hurrah! Bukas tapos ng petition ko. Gruß auf Munich. Ja, ich studiere Deutsch, pero ein wenig. Sabi ni Imelda Jimenez, Dutch cheese. Agree, holy cow. The Dutch, amazing when it comes to cheese. Sabi ni Ems Scheller, she's watching from Denmark. Sabi ni Ting Soreda Fonke, all of the incompetence ng LP, dami pa rin nagtatanggol sa mga yellows. Bulag ba sila para di makita ang mga magagandang bagay na ginagawa ng presidente para sa mamamayang Pilipino? Ganito lang po yon. Hindi po sila madami, maingay sila. So, don't let that bother you. What is important is that kung may diskusyon, kunwari may batiko sila sa ating Pangulo, we discuss them as issues. Kasi kung pe-personalin natin na, ay, huwag niyo papatikusin ng presidente natin, we're not doing any good, diba? Kailangan, tinitignan natin yung mga issues as issues. Are they policy problems? At dapat, tayo mismo, yung mga nagmamahal sa Pangulo natin, tayo yung magko-call out sa kanya. Kasi tayo yung may walang masamang intensyon. Yung mga criticisms na nanggagaling sa kabilang parlor, nakakaduda. Kasi minsan, ang feeling ko, kaya lang sila nagkikriticize dahil gusto nila i-take down yung Pangulo. Tayo, pagka kunwari, oh Mr. President, itong Manila Water, itong MWSS, kinukunsyaba yata ng Manila Water, etc. Then you can see that the President does something about it, may nangyayari. So, criticism isn't bad. But when the other parlor does it, parang ang feeling ko is that they're just may masabi lang so that they can destroy the president. So, you know what we should be doing? We should be the one, give credit where credit is due, and the president does well, holy cow, praise him as much as he can. But when we see his people doing something bad, we also call them out. That way, walang angas itong hindi magkakaroon ng asim yung kabila. Sabi ni Joanne, anong type cheese mo? Well, kasi if you're going to be sending it by mail, it has to be the hard cheeses. Kasi yung malalambot, baka matagalan. Sabi ni Christopher Barton, hindi po maintindihan kung ano yung freedom na pinaglalaban ni FVP. Ako rin. Hindi ko actually siya naiintindihan. Yun na po yun. Sabi ni Jasper Alan Bock, chocolate ang luho mo. Ang luho ko ay makinig sa inyo sa karambola. Dami ko natututunan. Hi to his wife daw. Sabi ni Sonj Bonda, blue cheese ang sarap. Oo, I agree. Camembert, manchego, mature cheddar. Sabi ni Miriam Balseta, yes. Uy, sabi ni Ana Marie Estrellado, meron din daw old cheese sa Egypt. Oo, pero ang maganda sa Egypt, dun sa sa Agora, dun sa yung mga nila, yung mga scarabs, yung mga amber, mga ganun. Holy cow. Anyway, don't get me started. Maduho talaga. Sabi ni Edith Fuchs, Swiss cheese. Holy cow, yes, Swiss cheese. Oh my gosh, Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese. Cheddar cheese din from the UK, sabi ni Rosemary Fernandez. Agree, ginugutom niyo lang ako. Sabi ni Gail Vivar, ano yung pinakamasarap na kape para sa inyo? Ethiopian Sidamo at saka yung Sulu coffee. Pero marami kasing masasarap eh. Masarap din ang Kalinga, masarap din ang Batangas. Pero I really like that. Nahirapan ako uminom ng coffee nang nasa France at saka Italy ako kasi ang mahal. At saka ang payat, pero ang mahal mostly. Sabi ni Sophie Jorgensen, if divorced sa foreigner abroad, pero decree is not recognized at the Philippine court, pwede pong mag-asawa uli ang foreigner sa Pinas since divorced na abroad. No, you have to, in order for you to get a clearance, you need to be able to register your divorce. So, minsan dadaan pa yan sa court. You will be getting an annulment based on a foreign divorce, so you need to get counsel for that. Marlon Enriquez says, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Okay. Okay na ka. Sabi ni Edward Larubis, criticism is good kapag may good intent. Correct, because most of the time, we criticize to make things better. Or that's why we should criticize, ha? Hindi lang yung on the other hand, don't consider criticism pag sinasagot natin yung kabilang parlor. Minsan, it's really just to engage in healthy debate or to be able to point out the mistakes in their logic or in their perceptions. Sabi ni Karen, totoo ba yung 20,000 peso assistance na binibigay sa mga OFWs kung sakaling uuwi dyan sa Pinas? Kung totoo, saan i-claim? Hindi ko po naririnig yun. I'll have to find out about that. Sabi ni Miriam Balseta, cathedral cheese. Sabi ni Rosemary Borgensen, old cheese and blue cheese from Norway. Would you like to taste them? Is the sky blue? Is the pole Catholic? Do birds fly? Sabi ni Ting Soreda Funke, you made my day kasi napansin mo rin ako. Uy, kayo naman. I try to make pansin everybody. Sabi ni Francis Jeff, blue cheese panalo. Sabi ni Tess De Leon Hammer, why is PRD quiet about the Raksha? No, he's not. He dealt with it na. Di ba he met na with Percy Da Acosta? And he also overruled the DOJ saying that the PAO can conduct their own autopsies. So the only reason he cannot comment is because these cases have already been filed. So it wouldn't look good for him to be commenting on them now. Sabi ni Nia Turner, hopefully ang most Metro Manila residents matutong malinis, hindi puro reklamo. Then pakiabot kay Alan Cayetano na ayusin niya ang pavement sa Lower Bicutan na tanggalin ang mga bahay na kinuha na ang mga pavement for their house. I haven't seen that. Pero sige. Smoked cheddar, sabi ni Les Sadie. Lenny sounds like she's running out of adjectives, sabi ni John Sebastian, when she talks because there's more nonsense. Oh my gosh, ang oily na ng mukha ko. Uy, sabi ni Lorenciana Manikis, Gamaldags, tama ba yung pronunciation? Gamaldags cheese from Denmark. Masarap daw. Sabi ni Ronald Bravo, he's replying to Karen Mondehar Panakalkalishan. Kung distressed OFW yata, may assistance from government. Sabi ni Jay Bautista, KSO pa rin ang the best. Ako, Quezon Puti. Kung local cheeses, Quezon Puti, walang tatalo. Basta talagang yung galing sa Kalabaw. Coffee Luwat, sa Musang galing. Sabi ni Francis Jeff. Yes, pero dapat yung ethical na coffee. Kasi yung iba, humuhuli sila ng wild na musang, tapos force feed nila, and they keep them in cages, and I don't want to buy coffee that's based on the suffering of another animal. I mean, it's different if you slaughter them in a humane way. And speaking of which, okay. But, nang nasa Europe ako, pag ang kinakain lang namin, the last time nandun kami sa Sweden ni Attorney Ahmed, pag nagto-travel kami, we went from Sweden to Amsterdam. We went from, basta from the capital of Sweden to Amsterdam. No. We came from Gothenburg. We went from Gothenburg to Amsterdam. Tapos, nagbaon lang kami nung, yung deli na hams, which is, what, something like, when I'm in Europe, I can just live on those things. Yung mga deli type hams nila, tsaka cheese, carrots, sticks, grapes, and the occasional chocolate. Sabi ni Louie Adriano, kung makakaabot lang yung ice cream dyan sa Pinas, sa Turkey, masarap ang ice cream dito. Pupunta na lang kami ng Turkey. Sabi ni Sheila Soria, how about Fanos cheese from Norway in thigh-high boots? Holy cow! What are you trying to do? Make me go crazy. Maraming salamat po. Holy cow. Yes. Sabi ni Heads Colon, masarap ang cheese na may amag like gorgonzola with grapes and wine. Agree. Ngayon pa lang ako natututong mag-wine. Cheese po with cranberries. Oh my gosh, cranberries. Yes. Daming klase ng cheese dito. Nasaan po kayo? Keep mentioning lang mga gusto ninyo kasi para alam namin anong padadala. Thanks po for this interaction. Baka isipin ninyo na napapanawagan akong padala nyo ako. Hindi po nagchikahan lang tayo. But for those who want to send, kasi yung iba nagpapadala to TP or Boss Conrad and all that, ulitin ko. Halata, no? DWIZ, you address it to Regine Pagulayan. 709 City State Center, 709 Shaw Boulevard, Barangay Oranbo, Pasig City. Sabi ni John Sebastian, when he comes home, he'll give me Kona coffee. Is this the Hawaiian coffee? Ang sarap niyan. It's spring in Sweden. Oh yeah, when I was in Sweden, it was halfway through, nag-snow. Okay, nag-snow. Up to my knees in snow. Everywhere I go, if there's a danger of snow, I assure you it's going to snow. Halloumi cheese, only in Cyprus. I think so yummy with pakwan, sabi ni Jess Saniel. Saan yan? Cyprus? Ooh. Duterte mentioned, sabi ni Roque Garland, about exposing the complete report on Bicoy coming from intel reports from other countries. I hope it comes out soon. I agree. Sabi ni Marian Balseta, cathedral trees, matured cheddar from UK. Sarap papakin. Seafood cup ramen, sabi ni Mario Oishi. Of course. Sabi ni Rose Padilla Wise, totoo ba ang si Bong Banalian si Bicoy? Ako, I don't have evidence except what shows up on the internet. So, I want to be careful about blaming somebody without heavier proof. Pero, it certainly is an interesting theory if he is. Sabi ni Sinaida Walton, atypical. Naalala ko na rin yung itinatanong ko, anong tinutukoy ni Cardinal Tagle na sino daw iboboto natin, si Jesus o si Barabas? Sino si Jesus at sino si Barabas? Good point. Good point. Si Virginia Peterson is watching from Illinois. Kakagising lang niya. Miss na daw niyang tambayan. Sabi ni Tess de Leon Hammer, my favorite Swiss cheese, Appenzeller. Yes po. Sabi ni Rosemary Fernandez, ang daming daw, nakakatuwa, ang daming naliligo sa Baseco Beach. Sana naman they will clean it afterwards kasi yung procession ng Black Nazarene nasa news, grabe yung basurang iniwan. Yeah, I think we need to do something about that. We also need to be able to make garbage cans available for everybody to use. Sabi ni Jordan Thompson, this is an interesting question. Why is it that a number of the more privileged, learned friends of mine hate PRRD? Because they got their opportunities from an administration that gave opportunities to them and probably only to their likes. Alam mo yan, kung saan kayo na mayagpag, kung saan kayo nag-benefit, then you will of course naturally want to stick with that. Hi, si Ma'am Magali is watching. Miss ko kayo. Sabi ni Joseph Muad'Dib from Dune. Kaya lang nanggugulo ang mga reporters ng LP, they just want to bring back the status quo. Status quo for them is to continue to plunder the country or to let their friends plunder the country. Sabi ni Ian Abella, every Christmas, yung cousins ko na married to Europeans, naghahanda ng cheese plate galing sa Europe. May kasamang biscuits and hams din na imported. Wala kaming ginagawa kundi uminom ng wine. Dahil doon, kaya nagkakaintindihan kami. Diba? 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 Brown cheese from the goat, masarap sa Norway. Grabe, natatakam ako sa inyo. I'm not supposed to be eating. Bukas pa ako pwede kumain. Sabi ni Peachy Lokias, Swiss cheese, sarap ng coffee sa Vienna. Ooh, Viennese coffee. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-Vienna. Sa France at saka sa Italy, I'm so unimpressed with their coffee kasi ang pait-pait, ang mahal-mahal. So, isa lang na. Bavarian cheese. Uy, Gruyere. Sabi ni Gigi Moore. Sabi ni Alan Rendon, Trillanes seems to get away with murder all the time. His audacity speaks for itself. Why can't the government uncover the secret convo or minutes of the meeting he had in China? Tell us something we don't know yet. Sabi ni, I think sinabi na dati ni Ambassador yun eh. Sabi ni Emilita Fuji, okay lang ba na sa sister ko magdala? Opo. You might be in north of Sweden, Theo, still snowing in spring. I was. How about Turkish coffee? Nakatikim na kayo? Hindi pa. I heard you have to stir it with 2 hands. Richard Chan is asking about dates from Kuwait. Yes, marami po kasi nagpapadala kaya hindi ako humihingi na ng dami nagpapadala. Sabi ni Lenny Munoz, mainit na daw sa Stockholm. I was there 2 years ago kasi October, tapos nag-snow na, tumuloy-tuloy. Sabi ni Minga Sabdiner, Bavarian cheese with strawberry and truffle marmalade, and of course, Bavarian beer. Sabi ni Icon Vertical, shoutout sa mga taga Siargao. Hi! Sabi ni Rosemary Fernandez, huwag kayong salbahe. Ang hirap kaya pag wala sa eating window when you're intermittent fasting. Nakahalata. Wiener Melange. Sabi ni Imelda Jimenez, in Vienna is yummy with matching sach. Tama ba yan? Tort. Greek coffee preparation is awesome, sabi ni Joseph Muad'Dib. Tumna ako. Meron ako yung ham na galing sa Europe sa taas. Now, I'm suddenly craving for it. Hindi pa ako nasa eating window ko. Diba? Pero really, I have to hand it to those of you who are in, sa Europe. I'm so ingyat at your cheeses, ha, and your hams, and everything. Tinatanong ni Teresita Olaita, ano po yung update sa PCOO? Wala po akong update sa PCOO. Sabi ni Macbao Bautista, shout out from Amsterdam, Holland's old cheese is the best. Basta, sabi nga nila, dalawa lang daw ang countries na totoong gumagawa ng cheese. At least, when I was in a conference on conservation abroad, yung taga-Holland, kumakain kami ng cheese, I think we were in Georgia pala. We were in Georgia in the US. So may nag-serve ng cheese plate. Tapos napansin nila na hindi na ako kumain ng iba ng meal talaga, pinapapak ko na yung cheese, gano'n, tsaka yung grapes, just popping grapes in my mouth. Sabi niya, oh, you like cheese? You should come to Holland. Humagot ang France. No. Holland also makes cheese daw. But France is cheese. Ewan ko, yabangan sila. Pero I have to admit, they both are very, very good at cheese. Sabi ni Delta Duran, after my classes, download daw siya paragi ng Karambola and Tambayan. Teacher po siya sa Olymp Wesley School. Keep up the good work. Yes! At maraming salamat po dahil naging guro kayo, and I think that's a really noble profession. My grandmother and my aunts and so many of my relatives are teachers. Sabi ni Joseph Muad'Dib, kung anong cheese ang nandun sa Europe and different cheeses flavor, in the end, hanapin mo pa rin ang kesong puti ng Los Baños. Hindi ko siya hinahanap kasi parate ako may kesong puti galing sa Los Baños. Cheese is life sa Cyprus, sabi ni Jess Saniel. Sabi ni Ting Soreda, kung pinakakatuwa yung reaction when you mentioned this. Napapagalitan ako kasi daw binabash ko sila. Sabi ko, no, if you look at my posts, I always criticize them based on something that they've done or policy, never on personalities. True, there's some people that I don't like who are there. I actually even like Martin as a person, but I think that there are some things that he should be doing more. Diba? Good at cheese, sabi ni John Perez. And we're back to cheeses! Sabi, pasensya na. Today lang talaga is that tomorrow karambola na, so I'm not sure if I have time for a live, kaya sinasagad ko talaga yung live natin yan. Sabi ni Glee Palad, tanong lang po, bakit ipapadala ang balot at sila daw ang magpapasok sa ballot box or machine? Paano po yun? That's exactly how it says. Those are the rules. It's ganito po kasi yun eh. They need to come up with a system that is efficient. Okay? Efficient. Marami tayong duda. And I agree. Siyempre, marami tayong duda kasi matagal na tayong dinadaya. But we have to balance it out with the fact that those who are administering the electoral process, one, kokonti lang sila. Two, it's a lot of work. It entails dealing with a lot of people. So this was the best system that they could come up with. Okay? Sabi ni Ching Bigwanson Dikamon, gusto ka namin kumain kasi you look fab na, no more make, bawas na po, kaya eat with moderation lang po. I'm in London, by the way. Hindi, the reason I'm not 400 pounds anymore is because I just have these eating windows. Sabi ni Tony, greetings from Saitama, Japan. Ganda ng Japan. Sabi ni Nia, shoutout sa OFWs, mga OFWs na alamin ang laws sa mga country kung nasan sila kasi nakakahiya ang nangyari sa couple dito sa UK na kinuha na anak nila ng social workers. Oh my gosh, okay. Sabi ni Mary Ann, nagutom daw siya. Happy Easter, greetings from Switzerland. Ginger cheese is the best from Holland, sabi ni Rose Yonko. Oh my gosh, natataranta na ako sa dami. Cheese from the Alps is best, sabi ni Edith Folks. Sabi ni Rosemary Fernandez, teacher din po ako, kaya dito po ako sa QK, kaso sa tuwing buubukang bunganga ni VP, feeling ko dapat ulit bumalik ako sa pagtuturo. Sorry. Ganun talaga. We can't expect all of our officials to be, rocket scientists. Pero, ako, alam niyo, minsan hindi ko na nga masyadong ino-okray siya kasi it's so entertaining just to listen to her talk. Sabi ni Jess, yung old ko always asking ano daw mabaho sa cheese. Sabi ko kasi full of cheese, different cheese yung pinakamabaho, yung pinakamasarap. Sabi ni Alan Rendon, you're the best ambassador of the Philippines, bar none. Unlike the people running PCOIs and hot water before, I know you when I engaged in political convo in UK. Thank you po. Sabi ni Magno Porter Sartorio, I'm not sure if you already explained yung post ni Mar Lopez tungkol sa plans ng grupo ni Mar. I'm not sure about where he got the information dun sa post, but I only explained the perception that Attorney Darwin was defending Mar. No, he wasn't. He just was reiterating what was contained in the Magalong report. Natanong ni Sophie Jorgensen, pwede ka ba akong ma-meet? Pag uwi namin dyan, yes ma'am. Tuloy lang po kayo sa studio. Oh my gosh, sabi ni John Perez, Beaufort Bet cheese. Try mo yan. Okay, maraming salamat po. Dahil ginugutom niyo na ako, I have to go and drink coffee. Kasi gutom na ako and I'm only allowed coffee with stevia. Vegan cheese! Sabi ni Rosemary Fernandez, interested ka rin ba? Kasi aside from dairy feed, well, it's certainly interesting. There's such a thing as vegan cheese? O sige, if there is, I certainly am going to try that. I hope it's as good as real ones. Otherwise, we really have to stick to the real thing. Sabi ni Claudio Combate, ayan o, I like listening to you pero ginugutom ako. Sabi ni AJ Legarda, natutunan ang utak ko kapag si Lenny nagsasalita, nakakabasag ng psychic shields. Di pa naman ako pwede mabobo kasi kawawa mga students ko dito sa Thailand. Okay, last two comments. Sabi ni Joseph Muadib, Lenny and Hotiveros, pag nagsasalita, feeling ko meron palang mga taong edukado naman. Okay, maraming salamat po at sinamahan niyo ako dito tumambay on an Easter Sunday afternoon. Thank you very much for all the offers of cheese. Don't forget the cheese. Okay. Cheese and chocolate and strawberry Kit Kat. And more strawberry Kit Kat. Maraming salamat po again for all of the, kasi you're not the only ones who learn. In these conversations, I also learn, for instance, what kind of information is needed that should be out there, kung ano yung kailangan nalalaman o yung mga hindi umaabot sa inyo. So this is informative for me as well as it is for you. So maraming salamat po sa inyo for being with me today, for asking your questions, for engaging me in conversation. Maraming salamat po for all of those who liked and followed Luminous already, and if you haven't, di ko kayo papansinin next time. Loka lang. And please don't forget to like and share this live. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow on Karambola and Tambayan. Karambola is 8 to 10 in the morning. DWIZ, the Facebook Live is on DWIZ Facebook page and on DWIZ live streaming on YouTube. See you tomorrow in the comment sections. Bye.